Ever feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of YouTube videos when you are trying to learn something new? You search for how to improve my LinkedIn profile or prepare for an interview, and suddenly you face dozens of videos. Now you need to watch all of them and piece the information together for the best advice. What if you could extract all the valuable insights from multiple videos in minutes, not hours? Today, we are diving into how you can leverage AI like Google's Notebook LM to become a super efficient learner and get actionable plans from a stack of videos with ease. Ready to learn the secret? Here's your streamlined workflow. First, identify the videos you want to analyze. Do your initial research on YouTube. Just copy the URLs of the most relevant ones. For our main example today, we'll focus on optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Now, head over to Notebook LM. Create a new notebook. Notebook LM allows you to directly paste YouTube video URLs. Simply click Add Source, select the YouTube option, and paste your video link. Repeat this for all your chosen videos. Notebook LM will automatically retrieve their transcripts and add them as sources to your notebook, ready for analysis. It's that easy. Now, this is where the magic happens and where your prompting skills come in. Instead of vague questions, be specific. Let's start with powerful prompt examples tailored specifically to LinkedIn optimization. Prompt 1. Based on all the provided transcripts about improving a LinkedIn profile, create a comprehensive step by step action plan. Consolidate similar advice and highlight any unique or contradictory points. Prompt 2. From these specific videos, what are common themes and specific examples provided for optimizing the About section on LinkedIn? Prompt 3. Create a checklist of actionable steps I can take today to immediately improve my LinkedIn profile, drawing from the most important advice in these videos. Once you see how effectively Notebook LM synthesizes information for LinkedIn, you'll realize this method applies to almost any topic. You can use the exact same process for interview preparation or any other area where you're sifting through multiple videos. Once Notebook LM gives you its output, read through it carefully. You'll often find a well structured summary, an action plan, or a consolidated advice. If something isn't clear or you want more detail on a specific point, ask a follow up question. Remember, AI is an iterative tool. Now, you have a distilled, actionable plan pulled from multiple expert sources without having to spend hours watching them. This is where you put that knowledge into practice. Let's reinforce this with other examples. For preparing for an interview, instead of watching 20 different Tell Me About Yourself videos, you can feed those URLs to Notebook LM and ask, summarize the different strategies for answering Tell Me About Yourself and provide example frameworks. Boom, instant synthesis. To get the most of this approach, here are a few pro tips. Quality in, quality out. The better your source videos, the better your AI output. Choose reputable channels and creators. Be specific with prompts. The more precise your question, the more relevant and useful the answer will be. Verify information. While AI is a powerful tool, always cross reference critical information if accuracy is paramount, especially with health, legal, or financial advice. Experiment. Play around with different prompt styles and see what works best for your learning style and the specific topic. Notebook LM can synthesize information from PDFs, Google Docs, web articles, and many more. Your learning possibilities are endless. You can also turn this information in the form of a podcast for easy listening. So, there you have it. The days of endless video binge watching for information are over. By combining the power of AI tools like Notebook LM with the vast content of platforms like YouTube, you can learn smarter, faster, and more effectively than ever before. What topic are you going to tackle first? using this AI powered learning method? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more productivity tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out an update. Follow AI Tech Feed for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching and happy learning.